Hello! If you ever have looked into studio microphones, you may have heard of the brand RØDE. And in today's video, I will unbox it and give you my first impressions of this microphone. This is Techie Doodle Doo. If you are new here, we do first impressions, unboxings and reviews. Click the subscribe button to be a part of the Techie family. So here we have the RØDE NT-USB microphone. This is a condenser microphone and it has a nice box with some pictures, not so many specifications. So let's just dig in, shall we? I've already cut the tape here, the safety tape, so let's just open the box. So first we see when we open the box is, well, styrofoam. I'll just take this out. Okay, so here we get a little paper, just regulatory and safety, it stands here. Just, yeah, do this, read the manual, blah blah. Okay, so put it the right way for you. This is the first thing we see when we take out the styrofoam. And I think this is the microphone and this is the stand that comes with it. So first I can take out the stand. Ooh, loud noises here, I'm sorry. So this is a small tripod mount, mount. And it's made of plastic with the RØDE logo over there. And I'm not sure about the size, it seems quite large. I hope this is the same size that I use for my own tripods, but we'll have to see. Okay, I can see something under this, so I'll just put this to the side. Okay, so here we have the USB cable. This is just a regular USB type A and a USB type B. It's the same one you use for printers and other things. And underneath the cable we get a leather pouch, I think. Maybe fake leather. With a zipper. And okay, in this we got a sticker. I love RØDE microphones. We'll see. And an instruction manual. I think this includes many languages. Yeah, English, French, Japanese, Korean, and maybe some more. I can't see any distinct. Okay. And last but not least, we have the microphone. Inside this very soft styrofoam here, so it's well protected in shipping. Okay, this is what it looks like. Oh, there's no styrofoam in here. Ah, that's a nice touch. Then the included pop filter will not break off. It's a bit flimsy, so in shipping that could break. But luckily, it's well protected. Activate your extended warranty now. Oh, so there's the USB plug-in under there. And okay, so here we have a thread. That's probably where we want to mount our tripod, if we want to. Is there any way to take the pop filter off? Okay, just be careful here. I don't want to drop it right away. Oh, okay. So it's, when you take it off, it's three pieces. It's the microphone, the pop filter, and the mounting mechanism for the tripod. So what I can see is that you need this to mount your microphone to anything, because on the microphone itself it only has the USB port underneath. Okay. The pop filter includes the RØDE logo. It's quite large, so you can get up close and personal with it if you want that. So yeah, let's have a look at the microphone itself. So I can see here we got 2 dials, one there, and we have a headphone jack for monitoring when you are recording. And I believe that this bottom one, it has no... I just see it marking for the headset for this mini jack port, but I wonder what these two do. I see there's a logo of a microphone and a PC screen, so maybe that's the gain or volume for the headset. We'll have to see. So we have this metal mesh around it on the top and both sides. I don't know if you can see through it. I can do. And it looks like, yeah, this is directional. So on this side with the RØDE logo, I can't see anything, it's just flat over there. But when I look on the other side, I can see small holes inside here. I think that's the main, that's the microphone itself inside there. So this is the side that goes towards your mouth, or where the noise is coming from. Either it's your voice or guitar or any other instrument. So yeah, after I set up this microphone, I noticed how heavy it is. So you have to be careful when you mount it to the included tripod. Yeah, as you can see here, it has one like steep angle leg and 2 that goes more wide. This is to support the weight of the microphone, because it's pretty heavy, and if you put it on the other side, it will easily be tipped over. So it looked like this from your side when you put it on the tripod stand, and this way when it's towards me. So this has been my first look and impressions of the RØDE NT-USB microphone. As this has been my first impressions, I will come back to you at a later point after we have used this microphone for a while. And maybe I find some perfect settings, or just know what the dials do. And yeah. And also we have a link to the product in this description. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and have a good one.